I will demonstrate how to assemble distribution board or DB. Okay, so here we have a panel for DB. Okay, for inserting the accessories. Okay, make sure that you know which side, up or down, because the problem is if you put it wrong side, okay, the cover will be like this. You put it wrong, okay, because okay, the screw is right here, so make sure that the side of the panel is right. It's correct, okay. So here, this is how it should look like. Okay. Thing you needed, the tools that you need for this work, you must have minus screwdriver. Okay. The minus tip, and then the plastic test pen, a cutter, and here is the spare. Okay, and then the accessory that we will install. Okay, I show you one by one. Okay, with me here is main switch. Okay, main switch. So for distribution board, after the kilowatt hour meter, okay, it must go through main switch. Okay, after that we're gonna install ELCB or RCCB. ELCB is earth leaking circuit breaker. Okay, means that if there are any leaking current, so it will go to it will break the connection, and then the current will go to earth. This one called MCB. Okay, miniature circuit breaker. Okay, the last safety, not the last, for the distribution board, it is the last from distribution board for safety. It is a fuse that can break if any overcurrent or short circuit. Okay. Yeah, I put the LCD. Make sure that the way you put or hang it on the right way, which is not upside down. Understood? Okay. Why? Because the flow, when we make a connection, the flow will be wrong and your connection will be wrong. If you put this thing on the panel, the thing still doesn't work because it doesn't have a connection. Okay, for this I use black cable 1.5 because here we have 1.5 only. Okay, this is a red for live. Okay, red for live, black for neutral, and green for earthing. I pick live. Okay, make sure if you make a live connection, then you go live to the end, and then you continue with neutral, because there are some do the both live neutral, live neutral, live neutral. Okay, make sure. But I prefer to do single line by line. Okay, so here we use red for live. Okay, make sure you straight first the isolating around 5 mm by using a test pen, or okay, you can use test pen or minus or plus screwdriver. Okay, make sure you read the label, because here it is N for neutral, L for live. Okay, this cable I said is for live. So for live cable, we open. Make sure that you tight the screw, okay, very tight, because if not, it will loose. And then I will make a connection to other accessories. Okay, strip it first, and then okay, you must, okay, firstly you measure how long this connector will be, okay, for live to live. So from main switch, live go to number 1, pin number 1, ELCB or RCB, okay. Okay, after you measure, and then you bend the wire, okay, you cut it and you strip it, okay, like this, like a C form or U form. Okay, we make connection. From one, from main switch in, from down goes to up, and then into RCB from up down. Okay, that's why we cannot swing or make the RCB or any of these upside down. Okay, so we say here for last, okay, we jump to ELCB from the main switch. Okay, from ELCB the output will be below the ELCB. The second ELCB goes to another LCB. Okay, and the top of the LCB will be the last output for the DB. Okay, the last output for DB is upper of the top of the LCB. Connection for okay, neutral line. Make sure you connect the right terminal for neutral. Okay, from the top of main switch goes to neutral. Okay, you can choose either you want to take the main switch or from ELCB. Okay, because it is the same point for neutral, so you can jump from main switch or the other ELCB. So I just pick the other ELCB point for neutral. Okay, because it is more closest to the LCB. Okay, ELCB. Okay. Okay, jump on top of neutral. Unit. Okay, make connection for the both neutral. Okay, neutral should be a same point. Okay, same point. So if there are two ELCB, make sure that both neutral connect each other. Okay, if you use 3, so the 3 ELCB will make the neutral line in. Okay, you see the bar here is we call the bus bar because it has many point of connection. Okay, from neutral we pick either. Okay, you can choose whether you want to use this bar or this one. Okay, it's like one stop terminal. Means that from this neutral. Okay, this one should go to any of these two. Okay, if you pick this one for neutral, this one will be a terminal for earthing. Okay. All the line, all the neutral from load, from fan or lamp will terminate here. Okay, this is a one stop for neutral. Okay, this one point for neutral, and then we make the earth. Okay. So we have done fitting the distribution board. Okay. After that, we're gonna test the TV. Okay. This earth, okay, as you can see, doesn't go through any of the distribution. Main switch or LCB or RGB. Okay, but from neutral they will connect to the earthing rod. Okay, so if any current, there are overcurrent from load. Okay, so the current will bring to the earth, and these two is from kilowatt hour meter. So to test the distribution board, we connect to the 3-pin plug, okay, as the current source. I'll do the simple test for the distribution board. Okay, so we connect the source, and then when we on the switch, see, okay, if the fuse is okay, like this, so we can see the current flow through the main switch, and then go to the ELCB out. If there are no output from ICCB, mean that first you didn't switch on the ELCB. So after you switch on, you can see the current. Okay, and the second ELCB also, when we on, you can see the current flow. Okay, LCB, okay, and make sure for neutral there are no current. And the second test is we test the ELCB, either this ELCB in a good condition. Okay, You can try this at home. This means when you press the test button here, okay, or to be a symbol of T, okay, the switch for ELCB will reject. Understood? Okay, so this means the ELCB is okay because the test is shortening the current through the ELCB when other current over the limited for ELCB, so it will reject the current. Okay. Okay, here is okay.